My name is Ben Wetter. I am the founder of the Destination Resilience Learning Platform. Our holistic and process-driven concept will guide you through all aspects of company threats and prepares you for the digital age. We would now like to introduce you to Workshop 1, which sets the basis for all following modules.
Crisis, chaos, uncertainty. Ready to lead, ready to adapt, ready to grow. These aren't rare anymore. They're routine. The question isn't if the next shock will come. The question is, are you ready? Resilience is more than survival. In Workshop 1, we guide you through 12 powerful steps. You'll define what resilience really means for you, your team, your mission. You'll explore the resilience cycle. Anticipate, prevent, respond, adapt. You'll build resilient teams, empower leadership, and protect your digital core. You'll learn to turn mistakes into mastery and crises into innovation. Your journey starts. One day full of case studies for interactive learning. The seminar will be a shift in how you think, how you lead, you grow. The future is uncertain, but your readiness doesn't have to be. Begin your roadmap to resilience today.